You will need 1.5 cups of whipping cream, 1 cup of milk, about half a cup of strawberry puree or chopped frozen strawberries, quarter cup of powdered milk, about a third of a cup of condensed milk, and powdered sugar to taste. So let us start making it. I'm going to start off by adding my whipping cream to this mixing bowl. Now I'm going to whip this to stiff peaks. Now you can see the traces, so I'm going to add in my powdered sugar now. Now whip this to stiff peaks. Now we are going to mix in our strawberry pulp, milk powder, condensed milk, and our milk. Fold everything well. I'm also going to add some chopped strawberries. Mix this well as well. Now we are going to freeze this until it's completely frozen, so it will take about 5 to 6 hours minimum. What you can also do is, to prevent the ice crystals in this, you can mix this really well after 2 to 3 hours, and then you'll get a very creamy and smooth ice cream. But it's totally optional because it's a foolproof way to make ice cream after whipping the cream. Our ice cream is set. Now let's scoop it out. You can top this up with some strawberry syrup or some chopped strawberries if you wish.